Good day. Welcome to the planning briefing recorded on June 5th. We continue our warming and drying trend through Monday. We have some elevated heat risk on Monday as well, so sensitive groups could have some impacts from the heat with very warm temperatures Monday afternoon. Showers and thunderstorm chances increase on Tuesday onward. Mostly just highlighting the heat, a little bit of wind, and then those thunderstorms on Tuesday. Here's where I'm showing the temperatures, highs and lows, where we're starting to see a lot of 90s show up on Monday, and even some low 100s in the low valleys of north central Idaho. And that, because of our cooler overnight temperatures, takes us to a moderate heat risk. So these are the impacts that we could see there. If we look at only the high temperatures, it does approach more of a major impact. So people out there could be affected if they don't have cooling or proper hydration. Looking forward for our probability of precipitation, we see that there's really hardly anything showing up until later in the day, Monday in southwest Montana with just a 10%, but really it's that Monday onward where we actually are going to get back into a more active weather pattern. Relative humidities are going to be pretty dry, and especially on Monday where we have that heat, we have these really low teens showing up, and then start to see that moderating, better recoveries in RHs as we get early next week and mid next week. And that shows up here for the maximum relative humidities. The 6 to 10 day outlook is still going with above average temperatures, but we are starting to see a little bit of a leaning to above average for our precipitation for that short period of time. And then looking for the 8 to 14, which is June 12th through the 18th, still leaning toward above average for temperatures and just a little bit, 33% chance of above average for precipitation. If you have any questions, please let us know, and we'll record our next one on June 8th. Have a good day.